I am a being of the earth. I am a being of the snow and the snowflakes. I am a being of the dirt and the pine needles that lay on the dark soil. I am a being of the wind and the air and the sky. And I am a being of the rain, the tiny droplets that cascade from the sky. But in that moment of cascading, I wonder if all they feel is presence. I wonder if that's all they feel. The pine needles, the black soil of the earth, the air, the water, the snow, the snowflakes. I wonder if all they feel is the presence of being these microscopic atoms, and to them, maybe they don't see themselves as falling or cascading down from the sky. Maybe all they witness is being, hovering in midair in the identity of a raindrop. Maybe they are not cascading at all. And then yet, I am the rain that creates the ocean. I am the ocean, the expansiveness of union, the wholeness of individuality, the consumption of separation. And yet, I am just as in beingness as that tiny raindrop falling from the sky or hovering midair. And so I spread and lay my water consciousness to overflow onto all things, onto the pine needles on the ground, onto the earthly black soil, onto the frozen creek, onto the trees, creating oneness, creating what feels like something so much more than a raindrop or the ocean, but I know not where I end and not where I begin. But I know I am the ocean and the raindrop, and yet, if I dive to the depths of my belly, down to the soft ocean floor, or to the soft, dark floor of Mother Earth, or if I transcend above the clouds, back up to where I began as a raindrop, then there is this coming back, this coming home to essence, the essence of me that is beyond I, beyond me, beyond all identification. And here, there is no thought. There just is. And it's beautiful and it's nothing, but yet it is everything. The circular mystery of origin, but beyond the circle, beyond the origin, beyond the ocean, and beyond the raindrop.